Did you know that the thickness of the hair is not only dependent on the density of the wig? With the same density, Hairvivi will bring you a thicker and fuller look. Both of these wigs are at 150% density, but they look totally different.
This is my very first time trying this wig out. It's super thin. It's given what lace? Never heard of her. I haven't even cut the lace yet, and look at the lace. And guys, I'm filming in 4K and there is no softening filter on this video. This is raw, okay?
Their wigs, their hairline on their units are the best. Like, I have tried wigs from a bunch of different companies, y'all, and let me tell y'all, I have reviewed a lot of wigs in my lifetime, and so far this is literally the only company I can literally vouch for that once their wig says it's pre-plucked, you're getting a pre-plucked wig. Like, you're not getting nothing less. It's coming exactly as it's described on your website. With them, it's literally no BS. You honestly get what you pay for.
Honestly, just so you guys can see how bleaching makes your wig look so natural. So this is a piece of like lace with some hair in it. You guys can still see the knots, so you can see that it's not bleached. So you know, it's quite obvious that, you know, it's not bleached. And then you have this one that's been bleached, and you guys can see that the one that's been bleached looks a bit more natural. Looks like it's going from your scalp.
So the point in this video, of course, is going to be to show you what a glueless unit truly looks and is supposed to feel and fit like. It's laying completely flat.